Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Sedona SX in mineral blue. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes with automatic projection headlights, LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a black high-gloss front grille. Moving on, the Sedona comes equipped with 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes, as well as power-heated folding side view mirrors, chrome door handles, and chrome window molding. This model also includes power sliding doors, a power lift trunk, keyless entry, and a sunroof. Heading toward the rear, this vehicle comes equipped with a rear spoiler, rear window wiper, as well as rear chrome garnish and LED light bar taillights. Some of the safety features on the Sedona include impact sensing door unlock, rear parking sensors, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert. Heading inside now, this vehicle seats 8 with second row slide-and-stow side seats and third row 60/40 folding and sinking seats. This model also includes rear air conditioning controls and stain-resistant cloth seating. Moving toward the front now, the Sedona comes equipped with power windows and locks, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, as well as a wireless phone charger, a cooling glove box, and a 6-speaker sound system. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as both USB and auxiliary input ports, and a rear view camera with a 7-inch display. This model also includes tri-zone automatic climate control and an auto defog system, as well as drive mode select and an 8-way power driver's seat with 2-way lumbar support. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes equipped with a 3.3-liter GDI V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. For more information, you can contact us here.